So what if I want to get the revenue for not just one of the regions now? So let's say I would like to combine two of them together. So let's say South and West. So what are my options? So let's come back to the formula. So click on this South revenue, and let's say I want to include where the region is West as well. So let's say maybe I could put a comma here. I don't want to end my formula here. I could put a comma, so it takes me to filter 2. Can I just come here and put, okay, so filter 2. I also want to see where the location region is equals to West in quotes, and then I hit the close brackets. Maybe I'll change this formula to South and West. So South and West revenue. So if I hit enter now, what happens? I simply get a blank. So really this would be the wrong way to go about doing this, because from the initial filter, I'm already filtering the region column. It's not possible for me to refer to the region column twice within this my calculate expression. Of course, I can refer to another column. So let's say, for example, maybe I want to see another column. Let's call this column product, for example. So maybe I want to say where the region is equal to South, and the product category. So product category is equals to furniture. Then this should work. Okay, so in this case now, you know that this report is reporting South revenue for the furniture product category, something like that. So not South and West, so South region for the furniture category. So if I want to filter by different columns now, you want to change the filters context on different columns, you just continue to specify different filters within the filters argument in calculate. But then if you need to specify different filters on the same column, you have to do something entirely different. I'm going to show you what you do in the next video.